In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely recover or view your debit card details without physically having the card in your hand. Before we start, it's important to understand one thing. For security reasons, you usually cannot see your full 16-digit card number just by searching online or through random tools. The right and safe way to access these details is always through your official bank channels, like your banking app, website, or direct customer support. First, open your bank's official mobile app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're connected to a secure internet connection, preferably your home Wi-Fi or mobile data, and avoid using public Wi-Fi when dealing with financial information. Log in using your usual credentials, such as your username, password, and any additional authentication like a code sent to your phone or a fingerprint or face scan. Once you're logged in, look for the section that shows your accounts and cards. This is often labeled something like Cards, Debit Cards, or Manage Cards. Tap on that, and then select the specific debit card you want to view. Even if you don't have the physical card with you, your digital profile should still list it as long as the card is active on your account. Inside the card details screen, many banks provide a View Card Details or Show Card Number option. When you tap that, you may be asked to verify your identity again, either with a one-time password, your device security, or a security question. This extra step is designed to protect you in case someone else gets access to your phone. After verification, your app may show some or all of the key card details: the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and sometimes the security code. Some apps will partially hide the number by default and let you tap and hold to reveal it. Take a moment to check that you're alone or that no one can see your screen. And never take screenshots of this page, especially on shared devices. If your bank's app does not show the full 16-digit number, you still have a couple of safe options. You can log into your bank's official website on a secure browser, go to your card management section, and see if they provide digital card details there. If not, the most reliable method is to contact your bank's official customer support using the number on their website or inside the app. Explain that you don't have your physical card and need help accessing or replacing it. They may not read out the full number for security reasons, but they can guide you on getting a new card or using temporary digital alternatives. Always avoid third-party websites or tools that claim to reveal or generate card numbers. These are unsafe and can put your money at risk. Staying within official bank channels is the only trustworthy way to manage your debit card information without having the card physically in front of you.